Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford and it's Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. And today I'm bringing you to a special place for a really special car. So this is a car that they advertised originally as the Instant Legend. And it was also advertised as a car to challenge the most experienced drivers. And it certainly did that. Now, of course, adverts like that wouldn't be appropriate today, not politically correct. And there's nothing politically correct about this beautiful Porsche that we've just made a little restoration on. So here it is. This is the Instant Legend. It's a Porsche 911 or 930 Turbo from the 80s, and it is fantastic. It's just come out of our restoration department. We did a small amount of work on a beautiful car and we've made it look like brand new again. I can't wait to drive it and I can't wait to show it to the owner. Well, here we go. This is gorgeous in here. It's got the big turbo seats, the Dr Fuhrmann specials. Listen to that. That is unmistakable 911 Turbo. Just fabulous. So this was a true supercar from the early 80s. This one's from 1984. And it was one of these, also in green, that set me off with a passion for Porsche. Now, these had a reputation for being difficult to handle, and to be fair, it's not the easiest of cars to drive really fast, but to drive swiftly, it's excellent. Now, in 1984, if you were the man and you could walk into a showroom and purchase something like this, well, first of all, you were doing really well, and secondly, you had really good taste. The alternative might have been the Ferrari 308, and let's just think about that for a while. So the 308, beautiful Italian looks, lots of passion, but this had 300 horsepower from 1,300 kilos, and the 308 was a 237 Italian horsepowers, and the Italians are known to have smaller horses than the Germans. And the Porsche makes such a good choice as a classic car now, because even 35-40 years later you could drive this car still at any pace, anywhere, assuming it was legal, and expect to get there and get home. And that's not something you can say about many classic supercars. If you've never owned or driven a 930 Turbo, then you're missing something. Yes, modern cars do almost everything better. However, the thrill, the sense of occasion, the passion, you can't beat this sort of thing. And that's what it's all about. Passion for Porsche.